This video is part of the adult education series on grammar. It covers pronouns, an essential component of the English language. The Reasoning Through Language Arts GED test has several questions about grammar, and the score for the essay component includes points for proper use of grammar. Pay close attention, take some notes, and be prepared to answer some questions.
Pronouns are essential components of the English language. They are words used to replace nouns to avoid repetition and make sentences smoother and easier to understand. Pronouns can refer to people, things, or ideas, and they play a crucial role in effective communication. Types of pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns refer to specific people or things. They change form based on number, singular, or plural. Person, first, second, or third. And case, subjective, objective, or possessive. Subjective case, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Objective case, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Possessive case, my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, its, our, ours, their, theirs. Examples. Subjective, she is going to the market. Objective, John gave me the book. Possessive, this is my pen. Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. They are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. Examples. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Example. She made herself a cup of tea. Demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to specific things. They indicate whether the things referred to are near or far in distance or time. Examples: this, that, these, those. Example. These are my shoes. That is your book. Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, what. Example. What is your name? Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses and link them to the main clause. Examples: who, whom, whose, which, that. Example. The book that you gave me is interesting. Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to nonspecific people or things. Examples: anyone, everyone, someone, no one, nobody, somebody, anybody, each, few, many, several, all, some. Example. Everyone is invited to the party. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession. Examples: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Example. The book is mine. Pronoun agreement and reference. Proper pronoun usage involves ensuring that pronouns agree with their antecedents in number, gender, and person. The antecedent is the noun that the pronoun replaces. Incorrect agreement or unclear reference can lead to confusion. Examples of pronoun agreement. Correct, the girl lost her key. Incorrect, the girl lost their key. Clear reference. Unclear, when Jim visited Bob, he was happy. Who was happy, Jim or Bob? Clear, Jim was happy when he visited Bob. Common pronoun errors. Pronoun antecedent agreement. The pronoun must agree with its antecedent in number and gender. Example. Incorrect. Each of the boys has their own locker. Correct. Each of the boys has his own locker. Vague pronoun reference. Ensure that it's clear to which noun the pronoun refers. Example. Vague. When the car hit the tree, it was damaged. What was damaged, the car or the tree? Clear. When the car hit the tree, the car was damaged. Unnecessary pronouns. Avoid using pronouns when they are not needed. Example. Unnecessary. The dog, it barked loudly. Correct. The dog barked loudly. Strategies for correct pronoun usage. Identify the antecedent. Ensure the antecedent is clear and specific. Before using a pronoun, make sure it's obvious what noun the pronoun is replacing. Check for agreement. Verify that the pronoun matches the antecedent in number, gender, and person. Read aloud. Sometimes reading your sentences aloud can help you catch pronoun errors that you might miss when reading silently. Simplify sentences. Complex sentences with multiple subjects can lead to pronoun errors. Simplifying your sentences can help avoid confusion. By understanding the different types of pronouns, ensuring proper agreement and reference, and avoiding common errors, you can use pronouns effectively to make your writing clear and engaging. Practicing these strategies will help improve your grammar skills and enhance your overall communication.
Let's check for understanding. Carefully read the following questions, pause the video, determine the best answer for each, and then restart the video to check your answer.
Which sentence uses a reflexive pronoun correctly? A. The children enjoyed them at the party. B. The children enjoyed themselves at the party. C. The children enjoyed itself at the party. D. The children enjoyed themselves at the party. The correct response is D. The children enjoyed themselves at the party. Which sentence uses the correct interrogative pronoun? A. Who is coming to the meeting tonight? B. Whom is coming to the meeting tonight? C. Whose is coming to the meeting tonight? D. Which is coming to the meeting tonight? The correct response is A. Who is coming to the meeting tonight? Which sentence uses the correct possessive pronoun? A. The decision is yours to make. B. The decision is you to make. C. The decision is yours to make. D. The decision is yourself to make. The correct response is C. The decision is yours to make. Which sentence uses a pronoun with a clear antecedent? A. When the vase fell, they broke into pieces. B. When the vase fell, she broke into pieces. C. When the vase fell, he broke into pieces. D. When the vase fell, it broke into pieces. The correct response is D. When the vase fell, it broke into pieces.
This has been a production of DNJDesigns and Mathman1962. If you like this video, click on the thumbs up. If you want to be notified when new videos are posted, click the bell. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click on the subscribe button.